Good morning. Welcome to CupO'Forex. This is David Frank with your daily video analysis for Friday, the 24th of October. And let's get started. This whole week has been a crazy and busy week as far as data coming out throughout the world. We've had a plethora of global economic data, and for the most part, regionally, the markets ignore the data. They seem to be focused on the bigger picture. Um, Investors are concerned about the Ebola epidemic. They're concerned with what's happening in the Middle East. They're concerned with the slowdown in Europe, and have ignored key and important data, which either came in a little bit stronger, say out of China, or something that came in nice out of the United States. They ignored, and markets didn't move the way we had thought they would. Yesterday, U.S. markets were up a little over between 1.16 and 1.2%. If you looked at the Dow Jones, which was up 1.16%, and the S&P, which was also up well over 1% yesterday. So we saw a little bit of a recovery in U.S. markets. This morning, Asian markets are a little bit mixed. Again, investors are more concerned about Ebola as well as the property slowdown out of China, which I wrote about yesterday, which I don't think is a big deal. China has a lot of tools still left in their chest that they can support their property uh, and spur demand and so on. Let's take a look at today's economic calendar. Today, in about 5 hours' time at 8:30 a.m. GMT, England's going to release their gross domestic product year on year. We're expecting that number to come out at about 3%, which is a nice strong, which again is a nice decent growth for the British economy, and they've been chugging along. Sooner or later, they're going to make a move as far as normalization of their economic policy. The last big piece of data coming out today will be out of the United States. We'll get some new home sales. We're expecting that number to print in at a firm 0.47 million units of new home sales sold from last month. Remember, this is a month-on-month index. It's not. Again, that's a nice strong number. We saw, about 500,000 new home units sold last month. We're starting to see the U.S. housing sector firm up a little bit. I want to take a look at some technical analysis for today. Okay, let's get started with our daily technical analysis for today. Off the bat, I want to take a look at gold. We recently saw the formation of a definitive bearish reversal signal here. This is called an evening star candlestick. Once this formed, our suspicions were confirmed that we had hit a top near at the near-term resistance of 1255.10 in that area there, and now we started turning towards supports. We also trading now near a support level near 1220.05, which is a little bit further down on the chart. But we're right at that support level now, and in my opinion, it looks like we're about to enter in a bit of a consolidated trading pattern. We fall below the near-term support. That will be a little bit on the bearish side. I also want to take a look at the dollar yen for today. We've been noting a bunch of buyers and seller hesitation over the recent trading days. As you can see here, a whole bunch of dojis. We couldn't get a confirmation if the buyers wanted to come in. We couldn't get a confirmation if sellers wanted to come on in. And looking at the 4-hour chart, we can see we've hit a bit of a ceiling, a little above the 108.10 level. We hit a high at about 108.331. And at least on the 4-hour chart, we're seeing some bearish signals at this time. Taking a look at the daily, we also note the formation of a bearish reversal here, just above the key 108 level. So there's a lot of resistance. There's actually a whole lot of congestion zones from here all the way up to 110.05. So we expected a little bit of trouble having a strong recovery in the yen at this point. I also want to take a look at the euro dollar. The euro dollar has been in a bit of trouble for the last several months. We've been very bearish here. there's a lot of deflationary pressure on the euro right now, and we're still waiting on the Bank of the European Central Bank to pull out the big guns and do something to really support their euro currency and kickstart their economy, their economy a little bit. We seem to have hit a bit of a floor at around 1.2650. We have near-term support, a key technical level down here at 1.2500, which we floated before in the past. We hit that, that formed a bullish candlestick pattern, and we had a brief recovery. And then we went to an entire consolidation pattern, which you can see here on the daily chart. Then we fell back below the short-term trend line here, and we still remain bearish on the euro. I want to thank everyone for listening today. Have a wonderful weekend. As always, click up in the upper right-hand corner to join our YouTube channel. Have a great day and have a wonderful weekend.